Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that I think a lot of us have felt at some point. That feeling of being lost, of being behind, and not knowing what to do next. It's that heavy feeling in your chest when you look around, and it seems like everyone else has their life figured out. You see friends getting promotions, buying houses, getting married, and you're just stuck. It can be incredibly isolating and discouraging. But what if I told you that in just 3 years, you could completely transform your life? It sounds like a marketing slogan, I know, but it's absolutely possible. This isn't about some magic pill or overnight success. This is about a structured, realistic plan to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. So, if you're ready to stop feeling lost and start building a life you're genuinely excited about, stick with me. We're going to break down this 3-year journey, year by year. Let's start with year 1. I call this the year of foundation and discovery. The main goal here isn't to make huge, dramatic changes. It's to stop the bleeding, stabilize your life, and figure out what you actually want. The first 6 months are all about cleaning up the mess. This means tackling your physical and mental environment. Declutter your living space. A clean room really does lead to a clearer mind. Pay off any small, nagging debts if you can. Start a simple budget. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. Just track where your money is going. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about gaining control. Most importantly, focus on your health. Start with small habits. Maybe it's a 15-minute walk every day. Maybe it's swapping soda for water. Cook one healthy meal at home each week. And please, prioritize sleep. Getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep can be a game changer for your mood, focus, and energy levels. It's the foundation for everything else. The second half of year 1 is the discovery phase. Now that you've built a more stable base, it's time to explore. The pressure is off. Your only job is to be curious. What did you enjoy as a kid before the world told you what you should be doing? Pick up an old hobby. Try something completely new. Take a free online course in a random subject like graphic design, coding, or psychology. Read books outside of your usual genre. The goal is to collect data about yourself. What makes you feel energized? What piques your interest? What activities make you lose track of time? Don't judge your interests. Don't worry about whether they're useful or can be monetized. Just explore. This phase is about reigniting your curiosity and finding sparks of joy. Keep a simple journal and write down what you tried and how it made you feel. By the end of year 1, you won't have all the answers, but you'll have a much clearer picture of who you are and what truly matters to you. You'll have moved from a state of chaos to a state of calm and curiosity. Now we move into year 2. The year of skill building and experimentation. You've done the internal work, you've explored your interests. Now it's time to take those interests and see what you can do with them. Based on your discoveries from year 1, pick 1 or 2 skills you want to develop seriously. Maybe you discovered you love writing, so you commit to writing 500 words a day. Maybe you enjoyed that coding course, so you sign up for a more structured program. This is the year of focused learning. Dedicate consistent time each week to practice. It's about building competence. The more competent you become at something, the more confident you feel. This confidence will start to spill over into other areas of your life. This isn't about becoming a world-class expert in 12 months. It's about getting good enough to create something, to solve a problem, or to offer value. It's about moving from passive consumption to active creation. The second half of year 2 is for experimentation. Take your new or improved skill and apply it in the real world. This is where you test your hypotheses. If you've been learning graphic design, offer to create a logo for a friend's small business for free. If you've been practicing public speaking, volunteer to give a short talk at a local meetup. If you've been honing your baking skills, bring your creations to a community event. The goal is to get feedback and see how your skills land in the real world. This can be scary, I know. It means putting yourself out there and risking failure or criticism. But this is crucial. This is how you learn what works, what doesn't, and what people actually value. These small projects build your portfolio, your network, and your resilience. They turn your abstract skill into tangible proof of your ability. By the end of year 2, you're no longer just someone with an interest. You're someone with a developing skill set and real-world experience to back it up. And that brings us to year 3, the year of integration and launch. This is where everything comes together. You've built a stable foundation, you've developed valuable skills, and you've tested them in the real world. Now it's time to integrate these skills into a more cohesive life plan. This could mean a few different things. It might mean leveraging your new skills to pivot in your current career or to get a new job entirely. You now have a portfolio and stories to tell in interviews that set you apart. It might mean starting a small side hustle. That graphic design work you did for free could now become a paid freelance service. That blog you started in year 2 could now be monetized with affiliate links or sponsored posts. Or it might mean building a new community around your passion. Maybe you start a local running club or an online book club. The point of year 3 is to take deliberate action toward building the life you envisioned. It's about launching. You've spent 2 years preparing the ship, and now it's time to set sail. This doesn't mean you have to quit your job and risk everything. The launch can be small and gradual, but it must be intentional. You are now actively shaping your life, not just reacting to it. You are the one in the driver's seat. Look back at where you were 3 years ago. You were feeling lost, behind, and powerless. Now, you have stability, you have skills, you have experience, and you have a direction. You have agency over your own life. You might not be exactly where you thought you'd be, and that's okay. The journey itself has changed you. You're more resilient, more self-aware, and more capable than you were before. You've built not just skills, but a system for growth that you can use for the rest of your life. So let's recap this 3-year transformation. Year 1, foundation and discovery. Clean up your life, stabilize your health and finances, and explore your genuine interests with childlike curiosity. Year 2, skill building and experimentation. Choose 1 or 2 skills to develop seriously and test them with small, real-world projects to get feedback and build confidence. And Year 3, integration and launch. Combine your skills and experience to intentionally move toward a new career, a side hustle, or a meaningful project that aligns with your values. This framework isn't rigid. Life happens. You might spend more time in one phase than another, and that's perfectly fine. The key is the progression, from stabilizing to exploring to building to launching. It's a process that honors the fact that you can't build a strong house on a shaky foundation. If you're feeling lost right now, please know that it's not a permanent state. It's a starting point. It's a signal that you're ready for a change. Don't be overwhelmed by the idea of a 3-year plan. Just focus on the first step. What is one small thing you can do today to start building your foundation? Maybe it's cleaning your desk. Maybe it's going for that 15-minute walk. Start there. One small, intentional step at a time. You have the power to change your life. It won't be easy, but I promise you, it will be worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope this plan gives you a sense of hope and a practical path forward. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on building a meaningful life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What's one thing you're going to do to start your year 1 journey? Let's support each other. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.